Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes. Class 7, English, Chapter 5, Miracle Warriors. This lesson speaks about the deaf boy, how those who are disabled, yeah, they can also do work. They can also perform their quality, talent. We should not ignore them. They can do something. Yeah, we know many person like Beethoven was a musician. In his beginning career, he was unable to listen, but he presented music very well. Helen Keller, he was blind, deaf and dumb. Still, she could do great work. Yeah, and Evelyn Glennie in class 9 I had taught. She was also a deaf girl, but she could play xylophone, these beats music. So we should not ignore they can do something. Yes, student. In this lesson also we shall start about how this disabled person can do something. Okay. Dhruva was sitting on a bus next to a young boy looking eagerly out of the window. Here is this lesson, Dhruva. Yeah. Dhruv, one of the person, he was going by a bus. At the time, there next to his seat there was a boy sitting, and near this window, the boy seemed restless and lost and kept looking anxiously around him. The boy seemed restless means no rest. Just he was looking here and there, lost, means he had no idea what to do. And Dhruv asked him where he was going, but the boy did not respond because a problem of ears did not respond, did not answer what this person spoke. It took him a few seconds to realize that this boy was unable to hear or speak. Later on, Dhruv knew that this child doesn't know speaking, listening. He was deaf. Though the bus conductor regularly announced the stops, this boy still did not know where he was. Now, this boy every day goes by bus, but he doesn't know the bus stop. The conductor may shout, then also the child doesn't know. So it is a problem for a person who doesn't able to listen. Let's see. Dhruv took out of a piece of paper, yeah, and just in a paper, suppose a paper, and he started writing something, wrote in Hindi asking him where he was going. Tum kahan ja rahe ho? He wrote in a paper and showed it to the child. That means the child could know reading. Though the back and forth pen and paper exchange, it suddenly dawned on Dhruv how difficult life was for the deaf. Now, by the correspondence or talk, by writing a cheat, the child can able to read and tell told that I am going to this place. Okay. So Dhruv could realize that it's how it's a problem for a child who is disabled, who unable to listen well. Something as straightforward as a bus ride become a struggle. Yeah. This type of person, if you go by bus riding also, it's a great task, great problem, and how the child faces in this lesson we can see. Yes, my dear student, next paragraph, let's see. There are about 8 billion deaf people in our country. 8 billion means 8 crores. So India, around the population of 135 crores more than. So 8 billion means, imagine that how they may suffer, how they may struggle. Let's see. People who are talented and intelligent, they have talent. Yeah, do you know we have 5 senses, and if one sense loses, then 4 senses becomes more active. Let's see. Deafness is an invisible disability. Just like a blind, you can catch. You are a lame person, unable to walk, people know. Yeah, you are unable to speak, and you can be caught. But this deafness is just invisible disability. I mean, people doesn't know. It just looks normal, but they can't listen. Yeah, it is very pathetic. One cannot know when someone near them as deaf as is deaf as there is no obvious physical attributes, no physical quality, nobody knows. The situation will just look like very common. Child may be very simple to walking, but nobody knows actually the person is deaf. Yeah? There is very little public sympathy for the deaf, and by connection, a severe lack of government support for them in India. Yeah? So, because people doesn't know, then how can they show their sympathy? Means kindness. And government also not give this type of supports to this deaf person. Yeah? A severe lack of government support for them in India. Lack of government means no government support. Particularly when it comes to employment, there are no opportunity because no one has the patience or the foresight to learn deaf language and culture. Yeah? When it comes to employment, कोई नौकरी देने के लिए जाते हैं, suppose there are no opportunity, no chance. Why? Because no one has the patience. Yeah, nobody can tolerate patience, toleration, or the foresight to learn deaf language and culture. Nobody gives idea. Nobody give him teaching subject. That's why this child has to face. When they do find employment, for most of them it is in the informal sector. Informal sector means not private sector. Suppose someone get job in private sector where they are badly paid, means they did not get good salary. They have very less salary. And imagine in less salary how the life will be miserable. You can imagine seasonally hired, and hired means given paisa dena, and treated especially bad for being deaf, and ill treatment. उनके साथ वार्तालाप भी बहुत खराब रहता है. They are very rough used by them. Yeah, this is how the idea for miracle courier was born in January 2009. That's why in 2009, miracle couriers, one of the new beginning of job for this disabled person like deaf. Over the next few months, Dhruv spent his time exploring the deaf culture and learning Indian Sign Language. Now, Dhruv, in his mind, comes some idea. And I will start a new type of business, new type of service. Let's see. So, for many months, next few months, not 1 or 2 days, few months, he was thinking, exploring means discovering new things, or searching the deaf culture and learning Indian Sign Language. Yeah, what deaf culture means, how deaf people will behave, how to deal with, how to they communicate, how they will do. And sign language means without talking, by expression. Just like I say this means someone to call. If I say this means someone to go. If I say this expression means stop. These are called sign language. Yeah, and he had to learn different type of sign language because this is the way to communicate. He focused on a courier's business. Courier means the things which are from one place to another place is taken by the post. That's called courier service. Okay, because it requires a lot of visual skills but not verbal communication. In this communication, no need of speaking, but just to carry and see the place and hand it over. That's all. So this deaf and dumb person also can do this type of job. So Dhruv think for a while and started this job. The deaf are extremely good at map reading. Yeah, map reading, where to go by signboards. Yeah, remembering roads and buildings because they are so visibly inclined. Yeah, they visibly shown. They can see because they are blind, deaf person. They can see well. That's why they can guess. They can do the work. So am I right? Let's see. The first step for miracle couriers was to tap the human potential in all their employees. Now, This